Hello everybody, coming to you today from the Bega Showground. Obviously in Bega, home of the cheese and dairy. Here in southern New South Wales, we're not too far from Eden. I think only roughly around about half an hour away from Eden now. And less than an hour from the Victoria border. Bega Showground, excellent spot to stay. Sites can be relatively uneven. We've managed to pick up a site, and there's a few here on our left that are nice and level, but quite a few are uneven. Facilities are good, and it's just $25 a night for power and water. Hope this breeze isn't causing too much hassle here. There is a pool next door, not too sure, I imagine that's a public pool. It's available. This is the entrance in to the showground. You can just arrive and call the caretaker when you get here. There's a toilet block here on the right hand side inside this building, and there's another one further over near where we're staying. I'll show you that one shortly. There's laundry available here, and it's just $2.50 to do your washing, which is fantastic. As I say, when you arrive, or you can call ahead and talk to the caretaker here. And the caretaker's just over on the left, further over there. Now, when you arrive, just on the right hand bottom corner there of that building, you will find envelopes. You just use those envelopes and put your money in the box. Same for the washing machine as well. So it's not a coin operated washing machine. You just simply put your $2.50 into an envelope, stick that into the box there. Bega's about a 20-minute drive down to Tathra, I'm not sure which one they call it down here. So it's not far away at all. You could base yourself here and look around all the local towns, Pambula and Marimbula, all these places. And we're also going to be heading off from here to head up into Jindabyne and check out and walk up the Mount Kosciusko. So from Bega you can access certainly a lot of places. Plenty of bins here, and as you can see straight ahead, there's another toilet block, and there is a shower in there as well. I'm not too sure if it's a hot shower or not. I haven't actually noticed any dogs here, but I would imagine it's pet friendly. I'll put that into the notes. And also right in front of me here, you can see there is a dump point available. I've got good Telstra, and I do have Vodafone here as well, so I've got phone coverage, no problem at all. Well, there it is. That's a look around the showground. You can see how everybody's parked up. Great little spot. As I say, we've got this fairly level space just down here in front of us, and there's more caravans and spaces down below. The caretaker here is really lovely, so no problems at all. Just give her a call and I'm sure they'll be able to sort things out for you. We'll love this coastline. Southern part of New South Wales is just stunning, absolutely amazing, really worth the trip. Come on down. Thanks for watching the video. You can watch all of these on our website, indefiniteleave.com.au, and safe travels. Talk to you all again soon. Cheers.